Evening, wherever you may be. My name is Bojan Petreski. Today is July 5th, 2022, day after the Independence Day here in the US. We'll be getting started with the 3D market commentary for today in just a few seconds. The disclaimer is running there for your use, your understanding that this is for educational and instructional purposes only. And of course, before we get started, everything that I'll be talking about, at least most of the links, will be at this link down here, tradewithufos.com/Boyan. So let's go ahead and get started with the market commentary for today. So this is what it would look like in your inbox, Monday through Friday. We call it a 3D market commentary because we utilize a three-dimensional approach. That three-dimensional approach consists of the market climate, buy and sell UFOs, and market volatility. Now, the market climate gives us the upcoming market direction. That is also shown in this section down here below. The buy and sell UFOs, that's the unfilled orders, that's the proprietary and patented technology that we utilize for the upcoming turning points. In other words, where do we take our entries and exits? And of course, the market volatility, whether or not we need to be adjusting our price change speed, a risk to reward ratio, in other words, figuring out what the price change speed is. So combining these statistical elements, help us remain objective and realistic, which is extremely important when trading, investing, or hedging. So taking these three, uh, the approach to these following five markets here, which is the first one here is the S&P 500. We see that the market climate is not confirmed. We see that because we have a thin blue dot down here. Current price is between two UFOs. 39.50 to 38.92.50 is the first one up above here. Obviously, we have a collection above here as well. However, the nearest one to current price is the one here. And the nearest buy UFO to current price is this 37.13.50 to 36.39. According to the VIX, we are in elevated volatility territory. Anything over 18% is considered elevated volatility. Daily expected move 67.23 points for the day. A little bit about the S&P. So we've definitely come quite far away from those all-time highs that we had around the end of the year. Several tests upwards were made. Mostly kind of either not taking out the high before, but almost always taking out the lows before as well. And right now we're just kind of continuing on downwards, given the fact the current situation in the world and how inflation has impacted everything. That's not surprising at this time. All right, now if you're looking to educate yourself, we do offer courses. We do have futures, stocks, and forex, as well as another course that we are offering that you're seeing down here below in the ticker below, which is the new 7-day crypto asset course, which will be a special live online launch of it. You can register for that one, as well as any of the other courses we have available using this link here, or of course the one over here as well. Sorry, actually, it's this one right here. Any one of those courses comes with complimentary access to auto UFOs and auto climate, so you can test out and see exactly what it is that we're doing with the software. All right, now the next one that we have on our list is crude oil. Crude oil is currently in a down climate. It's on the third day down out of typically 6. We have a sell UFO above here at 110.43 to 116.58, which pretty much overlaps with the one above it here, 116.62 to 123.68. The buy UFO is well down below here at 80.47 to 77.83. OVX is at 49.4%, which is not unexpected with crude oil given the current geopolitical situation that crude oil is in. with the Russian invasion of Ukraine. This is something that is, the current reality of the world. Seeing extremely volatile and over exaggerated moves on crude oil. Okay. Now, as far as our apps, we do have the auto UFOs available for multiple platforms, as well as our very own platform that I'll be speaking about in just a little bit, which is Top. You can use this link here to subscribe to any of the apps. They do come with a monthly or yearly membership, which is, as I said, it's also available at these links down here below. Looking at gold next. So gold is currently heading to test this 1781.3 to 1753 UFO before it almost came to it yesterday. However, did not quite make it. Yeah, actually, it was not yesterday. It was on Friday. Bounced up from that area, but now still kind of within the range of that previous trading day. Sell UFO at 2003 to 1962.7. Buy UFO is the one that 1781.3 to 1753 in a confirmed down climate. Now this is saying it is on the 10th one out of typically six. That's if we're counting all of the unconfirmed candles and the break in between here. However, you could also count this as the fourth out of typically six. Based on GVZ, we're looking at 20.17% volatility. All right. Now, if you need coaching or support, we do have daily live trading sessions available that are for all time zones. You can sign up for all asset advanced coaching using this link here, where you can sign up to get a session with any one of our instructors that we have on our channel and set up a one-on-one to go over any questions you may have, or just have another pair of eyes and ears to just listen to and see what it is that you're doing with your trading, and perhaps give you some pointers on maybe to try some things either differently or just to try to get to the bottom of what might be bothering you with trading. All right, now the dollar is just on a tear today. It's been going up for quite some time, for the past, I would say, year almost. Currently, it's on the fifth day up out of typically five. There are no sell UFOs above. The buy UFO down below is 102.85 to 101.865, 10.16% for the day, 0.68 daily expected move, which has already been achieved before the index is even open. Not much to be said about the dollar other than it's just been, showing extreme strength. There was a pretty substantial pullback that it just experienced. However, we ended up, I would say eliminating that, closing above another pullback, but then the lows, held essentially, and now we're heading higher again. So no sign of weakness there right now. Now, if you don't want to read this overview, we do broadcast this content daily, Monday to Friday. You can watch it on our YouTube channel using this link here. Or, of course, you can also watch it on our partner, Tiger Trade, as well as YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, LinkedIn, everywhere essentially where you can broadcast. There's a good chance that you'll be able to catch it there. And, of course, clicking this link here will take you to our YouTube channel, where I would appreciate if you can like and subscribe to that channel, and hit that little bell notification icon so that you get notified every time we go live on any of our channels. All right, last but definitely not least is Bitcoin. Bitcoin currently in this area here around the 19 to 20,000. Kind of seeing just a little bit of stagnation, or we call it accumulation. We witnessed something similar up here in the 30,000s. We ended up breaking down to this area here now. Right now, we're just kind of testing the lows, testing the midpoints of this area with multiple UFOs at that area, one starting at 2120 up to 22,975, and another one within it 2640 to 21,380. So we have stacked selling UFOs in this area. The nearest buy UFO is well down below here at the 14,347 to 13,027 area. As far as the climate, it's been going down for quite some time now. For the past, I would say, close to 6 months. It's just been heading lower and lower and lower. Overall, I think we're looking at a little bit more than a 60% drop that it has experienced so far year to date. And of course, according to BVI, 91.12% volatility. That's not unexpected when it comes to Bitcoin. $1,100 move for the day. All right, that's that for today. Now, the one last thing that I wanted to share with you is our link tree, where all of these links are combined into one convenient location. And of course, our very own platform that we have developed, which is the Predictive Options Planner, or as we commonly call it, TOP. TOP is really a very sophisticated platform available to you, a retail trader, containing professional platform features that is all server-based processing and is broker agnostic. What does that mean for you? That means that you don't need the most powerful laptop or computer to be able to run Top on your computer. Um, and you can plug in different brokers to trade all assets. You can learn more and subscribe using this link here. All right. Now, as far as holidays for this week, apart from being Monday, July 4th, it was also St. Kirill and Methodist in Europe for Slovenia and the Czech Republic. We have interest rate decision and rate statement already posted for Australia, Jan Hussein, the Czech Republic, retail sales, ISM services, FOMC meeting minutes, and then trade balance in Australia as well. Thursday, we have ADP employment change. Friday, non-farm payrolls, unemployment rate, net change in employment in Canada, Eid al-Adha holiday on Friday, CPI in China, Independence Day in Australia. And looks like another holiday on Sunday. All right, that's that for today, folks. Thank you so much for joining me. Hope you enjoyed this session, and I will catch you next time. Thank you. Take care.